Hello everyone. In this video you will be learning about the various theorems or the rules of addition and multiplication in probability. So what is a probability? It is a branch of mathematics that deals with the likelihood or occurrence of an event. So in addition theorem we have two types: mutually exclusive event and mutually non-exclusive event or non-mutually exclusive event. So what does this mean? Mutually exclusive means when the occurrence of one event is halting the occurrence of another event. For example, when I toss a coin, okay, so in this case, while tossing the coin, head, when the outcome is as head, it is stopping the occurrence of tail. Yes or no? That means the occurrence of one event is avoiding the occurrence of another event. That is nothing but mutually exclusive event. Another example, rolling of a dice, in which the occurrence of one will avoid the occurrence of all the other numbers from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, at a time we have the possibility or the outcome or the occurrence of any one number from 1 to 6. So that is the mutually exclusive principle. Okay, so what is here A and B? A and B are two sets or two events we have here in the form of a Venn diagram. S is a sample space in which we have two sets A and B, set A and set B, in which we see that event A, when the possibility of event A is occurring, okay, the outcome of A and B together is forming A union B. Here the symbol in between A and B is called as union. That means the outcome or the occurrence of one event is avoiding the occurrence of another event. So this is union. Now coming to the non-mutually exclusive. If you see this Venn diagram, in this the occurrence of event A means what we have to do? A minus B. Yes or no? If I want to see the occurrence of event A, then whatever the common part of B is coming over here, that I need to be subtracting. Similarly, if I want to show the occurrence of event B, that means B minus A, means we will be subtracting the occurrence of A part. Yes or no? Then only the probability of event B will be generated. Together with that, we will be removing this common part A intersection B, N of A intersection B, or P of A intersection B. So this is for your non-mutually exclusive event. Similarly, we have the multiplication rule, in which we will be having the independent events and the dependent events. Again, here if we consider the sample space as S and A and B as two sets, then what is your multiplication theorem stating? Multiplication theorem states that the probability of two events occurring simultaneously is the product of their individual probabilities. So that's what we are doing. The probability of event A and event B, the occurrence of event A and B. Here the occurrence of event A or B, it is event A and B. Then the product of both the individual events product we are doing. Similarly, the dependent events, how do we find it? Is the individual probabilities, okay, and their product together is forming the dependent event, such that A is dependent on B and B is dependent on A. So this is your rules in probability for addition and multiplication.